How to contact seller on TikTok shop. First, you want to simply open the TikTok application, and inside the TikTok app you want to simply go to your TikTok shop over there first, and if the option is not available, I'll be talking about the alternative afterwards. First, if you have the option available, you want to simply tap on that shop tab and you'll be able to open the product page as well. And once you do so, you'll be able to tap on the seller contact option over there or the chat option. You'll be able to type your messages and tap on send to send your messages. Have the TikTok shop, you want to simply go to inbox over there, and here if you have made any kinds of chats before you have purchased your product, you want to simply go to your chat over there and you want to specify your problem over there. If you have any kinds of problem, what you can also do is you can simply go to this search bar and search for your seller's username, and once you have done so, you'd be able to contact them from the message option on their profile as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.